It's okay, Miko. It's fine. Oh, it's communities. Ay, hindi. Kalaban natin communities. Sige, come to pin 1, guys. Come to pin 1 now. Come to pin 1, everyone. Sige. Hold pin 1. We're gonna push left side, guys. We're gonna push left side, ah. You can mark me at pin 2. Mark me first at pin 2. Double time, double time, double time. We're gonna we're gonna push left side. Slowly kill them here. Just slowly kill them. Jump down, guys. Jump down. Sige lang, keep jumping down. Now we're gonna full push their Zerg. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, straight up to their backline, guys. Straight up to their backline. Push towards pin 3, guys. Push towards pin 3. Hold pin 3 until pin 4, guys. Keep on hooking them and kill them here. Kill them here. Keep killing them here. Keep pushing them. Keep pushing them. Now stop until pin 4 and kill people inside of us. Kill people inside of us. Focus these tanks first. Focus these tanks. Tanks, keep pulling them from pin 5. Keep pulling them from pin 5. We're gonna hold pin 4, okay? We're gonna hold pin 4. We're gonna hold pin 4. Keep killing them. Keep killing them here. Keep killing them here. On pin 4, guys. On pin 4. No need to overpush. No need to overpush. Kill people this inside of us. Pin 4. Double time, guys. Double time. Single targeting. Single targeting. Sige lang. Keep holding. Keep holding pin 3. Now look at our back. Look at our back. They're coming from portal 1. They're coming from portal 1. Kill this guys first. Kill this. Flank team, you can handle this. Now Minzerg, come with me now. Come with me. Look at pin 4. Look at pin 4. Minzerg, come pin 4. Come pin 4. Come pin 4. Kill people on pin 4. Keep killing people on pin 4. Guys, Minzerg. Main ball. Come pin 4. Come pin 4. Sige lang. Let our flank group handle that. Let our flank group handle that. Double time, guys. Kill these guys. Kill these tanks. Kill these tanks. Anti-heals these tanks. Meter them. Meter them. Double time, guys. Double time. Kill them. Kill them. Sige lang. Keep on killing them. Keep on killing them. Sige, stop. Now look, we're gonna walk back towards pin 3. We're gonna back towards pin 3. Tanks, pull Mugen now. Pull Mugen now. And kill them here. Kill them here. Keep pulling them here. On me. Sige lang. Let's hold this. Let's hold it. Keep holding here. Keep holding here.
Hello, Rem.
Yes.
Do you want PPE or
Uh, we can we can probably have PvP for 20 minutes.
so you
Then we
want
can do
PPE? You
PvE.
don't mind with third party, yeah? You can third party us also, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yo guys, come back,
20,
Pin 3,
20
come back,
minutes,
Pin
yeah?
3.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
20 minutes. We can do PvP. Or last 20 minutes. Keep pulling them here. Protect pin 3, guys. Protect pin 3. Protect pin 3. Keep killing them. Nice. We're holding. Sustain the front line. Sustain the front line. Don't let them die. Don't let them die. Now, turn back, and kill people inside of us. Kill these tanks. They're too deep, guys. They're too deep. Double time. Kill their tanks. Keep killing them. Now we're gonna giga push towards Mugun in 3, 2, 1. Devo up and push up, guys. We're full melee. Come push up to the Zerg. Push up to the Zerg. Single target them. We don't have AoEs, just single target them. Push up, guys. Melees, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be pussies, guys. Push up. Don't be pussies. Push up. Bro, we hold the right wall. We hold the right wall from here. Nice one. Keep killing. Up. Come back, come back now. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Come back to pin 3. Come back to pin 3 in 3, 2, 1. Now, we come back to pin 3. Hold, hold, hold. Keep holding, keep holding. Now, walk with me towards pin 5. Walk with me towards pin 5, guys. Walk with me towards pin 5. Walk with me towards pin 5. Yeah, yeah, we can hit them. We can hit them. We're gonna full push communities backline in 3, 2, 1. Devo up, devo up, devo up, devo up, and push up now. Push up now. Ignore the tanks. Ignore the tanks. Focus the range. Focus the range DPS. Kill them here. Kill them here. Keep pushing up. Push up. Push up, guys. Don't delay the Zerg. Don't delay the Zerg. Push up. Push up and take pin 1. Push up and take pin 1, guys. Push up and take pin 1. Push up. Push up to the. Push up high ground and take pin 1, guys. Push up to the wall and take pin 1. Don't lose pin 1. Guys, push up to the wall. Push up to the wall. We're pushing now high ground. We're pushing now high ground. Guys. Double time, guys. We're melee comp. I don't know why you're not pushing towards high ground. Pin 1. Guys, take pin 1. Take pin 1. If you died, use portal 3 and take high ground pin 1. Guys, double time. Double time. Everyone move high ground. We need to move high ground. Guys, take high ground. Where's my Zerg? Where's my Zerg? Main Zerg, come up now. Pin 1. We need to take high ground. Double time, guys. Double time. You can use pin 7, guys. You can use pin 7 if you use for if you wanna wipe pin 1 right now. Puta, ano, naipit ako. Sige lang. Go up, guys. Double time and take high ground. Oo nga, we need to wipe with communities. We need to take high ground. Range DPS. You can use pin 7, ah. You can use pin 7. Sige lang, keep killing them here. Nice one, nice one. We're slowly taking pin 1 now. We're slowly taking pin 1. Sige lang, keep taking high ground. Keep taking high ground. We just meet yours high ground. Meet yours high ground now. Sige lang, keep killing them. Keep killing them. Nice sustain, nice sustain. We're only fighting half their group right now. Flank group, papush nga ng konti dito sa side ng high ground. Sige lang, we're taking high ground now. Aim their DPS, guys. Aim their DPS. Ignore the tanks. Ignore the tanks. Good sustain. Good sustain. Good sustain now. Keep killing their DPS. Keep killing their DPS. We're taking high ground now. We're taking high ground. Sustain high ground. Sustain high ground. Sige lang. Keep killing them. Keep killing them. Range DPS. If you died, use pin 7. Use pin 7. You can target them here from pin 7. Their DPS are not on the highest ground, guys. Look at me. Find me. Find me. Their DPS are on me. Oh no. I think we need to don't fight high ground. Come back, come back, come. If you died, come back from portal 2 and go to pin 6. Let's rejoin with the flank group. Flank group will rejoin you. We can take high ground. Come to pin 6, come to pin 6. Yeah, yeah, we can take high ground. Now hold here and DPS the boss. DPS the boss. No need to overpush, guys. DPS the boss and hold, hold, hold. Just DPS the boss now. Just DPS the boss now. DPS the boss. Just DPS the boss. Range DPS. Just DPS the boss. Sige lang. Hold the ball. Hold the ball. Keep holding it on pin 5 and DPS the boss. Guys, double time. DPS the boss. We're still in 5%. Okay? We're slowly increasing. Now we need to sandwich communists, so we need to reduce their numbers. We're going to swing left in 3, 2, 1. Swing left now, and push towards pin 3, guys. Push towards pin 3. Find me, guys. Find me. Let's target their backline. Kill their DPS. Kill their DPS. Push up and kill their DPS, guys. Kill their DPS. Push deeper, guys. Push deeper. Their DPS are on me. Sige lang. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Now hold here in front of pin 3, guys. Hold. Find me, and keep holding here. And kill their DPS. Only kill their DPS, guys. We need to reduce their contribution. Now slowly come back to pin 2. We're gonna come back to pin 2 in 3, 2, 1. Come back to pin 2 now. Come back to pin 2. Pull back, pull back, pull back. Double time, double time, double time. Pull back. Drop down whatever you're doing. Pull back to pin 2. Pull back to pin 2. Just hold pin 2 right now. Hold pin 2. People at pin 6. Flank group, come back with the Zerg first. Come back with the Zerg first. We need to third party. We need to work as a one whole group right now. Sige lang. Keep holding here. Keep holding here. And brawl them here. Brawl them here. Keep brawling. Keep brawling. Keep brawling here. Keep brawling here. It's fine, guys. It's fine. It's fine. Now we're gonna now look at right side. Look at right side. Hold right side, tanks. Hold right side. Hold right side. Keep holding right side. Keep holding right side. We need to over push right side, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Ignore the tanks and push up to the DPS line. Find their DPS. Find their DPS. DPS line on me. DPS line on me. Nice one. Nice one. Now we hold here. We hold here. DPS, you can take high ground. You can take high ground and shoot them from below. Sige lang. Keep sustaining. Keep sustaining. Our sustain is better. Our sustain is better. Keep killing them. Keep killing them. We're better, guys. We're better. We're better. We're better. One group on the left side. Now we need to pull back. We need to pull back. We need to pull back. Mugun is taking the percentage. Come back. Come back now. Come back now. Come back now. Come back to pin 2. Come back to pin 2. Come back to pin 2. Slowly come back to pin 2. Double time. Double time. Double time. Come back to pin 2. Slowly come back to pin 2. We need to hit Mugun. We need to hit Mugun and hit the boss. Okay, hold here. Hold here. Now hit the boss from here. Wait. Never mind. Never mind. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. You have me on mark, right? I'm jumping. I'm jumping. Now we hit the DPS from here. DPS hit the DPS from here. Sige lang, sustain, sustain, and hit the DPS. I hit the boss, hit the boss. DPS the boss now, DPS the boss. Double time, double time, double time. DPS the boss now, DPS the boss. Keep DPSing the boss, keep DPSing the boss. Let the communities handle Mugun now. Let the communities handle Mugun. We need to DPS the boss. Double time, guys. Double time. Protect our main ball and just DPS the boss. Kael's party, come back and DPS the boss. Kael's party, come back and DPS the boss. Let's hold here. Let's hold here near pin. Wait, I'm gonna put pin. Hold pin 8, hold pin 8, hold pin 8, guys. No need to overpush. Fraleo's party, no need to overpush communists. Let them handle Mugun's guild. Let them handle Mugun's guild. We need to take percentage, guys. We need to take percentage. No need to flank them now. No need to flank them now. Let's play objective for a little bit. DPS the boss. Range DPS. DPS the boss. Sige lang, let's sandwich Mugun. Let's sandwich Mugun. Swing to the left. Swing to the left. Go to pin 3. Go to pin 3. Swing to the left. Going into pin 3. Now we're gonna hit towards pin 5 in 3, 2, 1. They're clamping here. They're clamping here, guys. They're clamping here. Wipe them here. Now keep holding pin 3. Keep holding pin 3. Nice. Good hold. Good hold. I see our main ball holding pin 3. Good job. Good job. Good job. Keep holding. Keep holding and keep sustaining. Keep sustaining. We need to hit the boss, ah. We need to hit the boss. Okay, the boss is on our side. Now, range DPS, focus the boss. Melee DPS, focus on killing them. Focus on killing them. DPS the boss now. DPS the boss. Range DPS, just DPS the boss now. Everyone DPS the boss now. Tanks, protect our main ball. Protect our main ball. Keep protecting our main ball. Keep protecting our main ball. DPS the boss, guys. Sige lang. Keep DPSing the boss, guys. Melee DPS, you can focus the people on the pin 4. Now, range DPS, just DPS the boss. Move a little bit to the right. Swing a little bit to the right. Just DPS the boss now. Just DPS the boss. Melee DPS, you can fight people at pin 4. Protect our Zerg. Protect our Zerg. Range DPS, you can DPS the boss. Sige, keep DPSing the boss. All good, yes, all good. Okay, a lot of Mugun are coming from pin 4. Now, swing right in 3, 2, 1. Swing towards pin 8. Swing towards pin 8. Just a little bit beside communists, but don't hit communists. Don't hit communists. Just DPS the boss. Only the melee DPS gonna handle pin 4, guys. Because since they can't hit the boss. DPS the boss now, DPS. Range DPS, where you at? Guys, focus at the boss. Focus the boss. It's 1%, guys. Full DPS the boss in 3, 2, 1. Just DPS the boss now. Good shit. Now pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back. Now we swing towards pin 8, towards pin 8. Come to pin 8, come to pin 8, come to pin 8. Come to pin 8, guys. Pull back, and come to pin 8. Come to pin 8. You're gonna get sandwiched there. Double time, guys. Now we hold pin 8, we hold pin 8. Patang stay pa kayo dyan. Hold pin 8, hold pin 8. We fight pin 8, we fight pin 8. Tanks, just pull the DPS, just pull the DPS. Keep fighting, keep fighting. Now we're gonna giga push them in 3, 2, 1. Milcom, push up, and stand their backline, stand their backline. Nice one, nice one. Then the range DPS, keep hugging the wall, keep hugging the wall. Push towards the wall. Use the wall, guys. Use the wall. Now we're gonna turn back to their Zerg in 3, 2, 1. Now we turn back towards pin 8 and kill people inside of us. Sige lang, keep killing them, keep killing them. Sige lang, keep fighting. Around pin 2, around pin 2. Our Zerg is around pin 2 right now. Big lump in the middle. Gonna bomb meteors in the middle in 3, 2, 1. Meteors in the middle. Meteors in the middle. Find me, guys. Big clump on me. Big clump on me. Nice one. We're sustaining. We're sustaining a little bit. The DPS are a little bit at pin 8. Just pull them. Ikaw sa party, push pin 8, push pin 8. No need to fight on around pin 2. Push pin 8, push pin 8. Sige lang, we're sustaining, we're sustaining. Sige lang, hold. Uh, we're getting sandwich, guys. We're getting sandwich. Sige lang, keep holding. Use portal 1, guys. And come back from pin 3. If you died, if you died, if you died. Now, main Zerg, I need you to giga push towards me, guys. Push towards pin 9. Push towards pin 9. We don't let our Zerg B sandwich, guys. Sige lang, sige lang. We're getting sandwich right now. We're getting sandwich right now. Main Zerg, main ball, hold pin 3 right now. Pin 3 to pin 9 right now. Hold pin 3 to pin 9. Pin 9, guys. Double time, double time, double time. Come to pin 9 now. Come to pin 9 now. Fight your way towards pin 9. Hold pin 9. Sige lang, we're holding, we're holding. Keep fighting people at the right side. Sige lang, we're holding, we're holding. It's a good fight, good fight. I think we need to focus the boss. Good shit, good shit. Recap lang siguro. Recap. Not even full 48, around 5. Yeah, a lot of us got bug, can find the portal, etc. But I think we need a good job in sustaining, right? For the main Zerg, main ball. We're not getting fully wiped immediately. So I think it's better. Also, I think another thing is if I ask to regroup fast, can sustain, can kill. Yeah, but I think we can kill if we targeting single person. Still can't, Alpha? Cannot. Can. Yeah, I think you need to sync all of us. Our party need to sync